Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Revised K-12 Curriculum, Music and Arts, Grade 5, Quarter 2, Lessons 7 to 8. Our topic for today is about elements and practices in creative works. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! Learning competency. Adopt early Philippine conventional practices in performing and visual arts using mediums, patterns, symbolisms, and other relevant practices. Example, use of rhythm and tempo, choice of motifs or symbols, materials, mediums, etc. in the production of creative works. Learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, the students will be able to A. Explore the conventional practices used in the early Philippine performing and visual arts of the province or region. B. Apply early Philippine conventional practices in performing and visual arts using mediums, patterns, symbolisms, and other relevant practices in the production of creative works. C. Reflect on the process of making a creative work through class presentation or group sharing. Contents. First, conventional practices used in the early Philippine performing and visual arts of the province or region. Second, early Philippine conventional practices in performing and visual arts using mediums, patterns, symbolisms, and other relevant practices in the production of creative works. Third, reflect on the process of making a creative work through class presentation or group sharing. Fourth, exploring the mediums, patterns, and practices of the early Philippine music and arts. Week 8, Day 1. Worked example. Describe the mediums, patterns, symbolism, and other relevant practices in the production of pintados by watching the video. Week 8, Day 2. Lesson activity number 2, Art Reflection. You will be divided into 4 groups. Each group will choose another local festival in the Philippines, preferably in their locality. Then, reflect on their mediums, patterns, symbolisms, and other relevant practices. Learners' takeaways, my aha moments. Complete the sentence. Before, I thought that blank. But after listening to the lesson, I found out that blank. And that is my aha moment. Aha! Formative assessment. True or false? Write the word true if the statement is correct and false if not. Underline the word or words or statement or statements that makes it incorrect. Write the correct word. Number 1. Indigenous dances like tinikling and singkil were not part of conventional practices in early Philippine performing arts. Answer: false. Indeed part of conventional practices. Number 2, weaving, pottery making, and wood carving were not prominent practices in early Philippine visual arts. Answer, false. Prominent practices. Number 3, storytelling through oral traditions play a significant role in early Philippine performing and visual arts. Answer, true. Number 4, traditional musical instruments such as kulintang ensemble were used in early Philippine performing arts. Answer, true. Number 5, architectural design incorporates intricate patterns and motifs reflecting cultural identity in early Philippine visual arts. Answer, true. Number 6, indigenous dances in early Philippine performing arts often involved intricate footwork and vibrant costumes. Answer, true. Number 7, traditional practices in early Philippine visual arts did not include pottery making. Answer, false. Was indeed a traditional practice in early Philippine visual arts, contrary to the statement. Number 8, theater performances in early Philippine performing arts typically did not draw inspiration from folklore and religious stories. Answer, false. Often drew inspiration. Number 9, storytelling through oral traditions played a minor role in conveying cultural values in early Philippine performing and visual arts. Answer, false. Significant role. Number 10, conventional practices in early Philippine performing and visual arts were influenced by the diverse indigenous communities across the archipelago. Answer, true.
Maraming salamat sa panonood. Huwag kalimutang i-like at mag-subscribe para sa higit pang educational content. I-click ang bell icon para ma-update ka sa ating mga bagong video. Salamat!